Hi, it's Jordan from Cheddas Auto, and today we're going to talk about our Bumpsteer kit for the GD Honda Fit. First, what we're going to do is walk through some of the parts on the list here. This is the spherical rod end. These are our hard anodized spacers that come in different widths. The kit comes with extra spacers. We have our M12 grade 10.9 bolt. That is the threaded adapter. This is a collar that's going to go inside of your control arm. This is a 7/16 grade 8 bolt with washer. And this is a threaded adapter that goes inside of the rod end, made of stainless. So the first thing I'm going to do is thread this adapter into the rod end. This rod end is a sealed PTFE styled rod end. There's many choices, including chrome, moly rod ends, etc. to choose from. I'm going to take the adapter and slide on 1/8 ring. Slide it through the rod end hole. Add the remainder of the spacers to take up the whole width. And install the M12 10.9 bolt. Just finger tight. You can see some of the articulation there. That piece installs into where the ball joint would seat on your control arm. And this bolt will ride through the entirety of the adapter, the rod end into the secondary adapter. So you can imagine that's how it sits on your control arm below the mounting point. So now I'm going to show you how to adjust your bump steer. The more washers you install between the control arm and the rod end, the lower the rod end will go, furthering the adjustment down. Here I've added one 1/4 adjuster with the intent to try to neutralize the steering rod back to somewhere near stock to get rid of that nasty bump steer from lowering your car. This here is just just something to allow you to imagine how the steering rod connects to the rod end. It's an M12 bolt. The steering link is M12 as well. There is a added jam nut included in each kit. Obviously, you have to adjust this near to stock spec, so after installing it, I highly recommend taking it to an alignment shop to ensure that your toe is adjusted correctly. And quickly just going to show you how to uninstall the parts. One of the greatest things about this kit is everything is rebuildable, so the parts that come in the kit can be used with other rod ends as long as they're in good shape. Effectively a rebuildable ball joint at this point. You can see the seal on this type of not required lubricant rod end. There are rod ends that require lubrication. You can buy dust shields for them, which are very cheap, and you can also get greasable ones for extended longevity. Thank you for watching.